to go over a couple of things about what is due on the 17th, which is tomorrow. I hope this video does not reach you too late, but I just want to go over just a couple of things here. So if you look over on the left-hand side, you will see weekly lessons. After clicking on weekly lessons, you will go to chapter 3 and then chapter 3 assignments. Here you will find chapter 3 discussion board. Looks like we have a couple of students who have already submitted their discussion board. But what I am looking for in your discussion board is to ensure that you have in-text citations, which I have posted a video on how to do those in-text citations, and also a reference list. But you are simply, see if this will come up for us. Are simply looking at the document for chapter 3, and you are choosing 5 biological reasons why the husband and wife are having problems. So you are not writing any type of emotional reasons, any childhood experiences. You're not diagnosing the couple. All you're looking for are biological reasons for why the couple may be going through what they are dealing with. Okay, so you're going to actually use your textbook to support your thoughts, or use your textbook to support your answers. Just remember that you want to use in-text citations and that you're not diagnosing the couple. Now we look at chapter 4 and 5 discussion board. This one here, you will need to create a PowerPoint. I'm going to go back up to the weekly lessons and go to chapter 4. Chapter 4 talks about sensation and perception. And here, you also have to complete your pictorial orientation. But after clicking on the assignment document, it will show you all of the different slides that you need to include, such as your introduction slide, your objectives. You need to define sensation, give examples, define perception. It's going to give you step by step on what you need to include into your slides. Again, you want to make sure that you're using APA in-text citations, and also have a reference list. And you also want to make sure that you are completing narration within your PowerPoint. So I have also listed here in the announcements, how to complete your narration for your PowerPoint. If you run into any problems with the narration on your PowerPoints, you may be able to try to use Loom to record. Just remember that narration is included, required, because we will need to use narration in a future assignment. So this assignment and a future assignment, we will have to use narration. Again, the assignments that are due tomorrow, Friday, the 17th, is complete chapter 3 assignment, complete chapter 4 and 5 PowerPoint with narration. Don't forget to respond back to your peer posts, and then also complete your proctoral orientation. Also, if you do not respond back to your peers, responding back to your peers counts for 50% of your discussion board grade. So if you do not respond back to anyone of the posts that you see for your peers, then the most that you can make on your discussion board is a 50. So you want to also make sure that you're responding back to your peers. You can always go to your weekly lessons. You want to go through a different way. You can go through your weekly lessons and look at the discussion board directions, which tells you the requirements for each discussion board that is due at the, see if I can find, should also be posted here in your weekly lessons. but it will tell you the amount of words that are needed for your discussion board, initial posts, your replies. You want to also make sure that you are including in-text citations when you're replying back to your peers. So just simply saying, I agree with your post or nice job on your post, that does not award you points for your reply. So you want to make sure that you're engaging in conversation and adding to your peer posts, whether it is citing from your textbook additional evidence. And then you always want to be respectful when responding back to your peers. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am here via email and also by appointment for my office hours. I hope everyone has a great weekend.